Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the dog with apple in mouth token. Ticker symbol is Apple. Now this is a very popular project today. It's up 88.82% in the past 24 hours. Even in the past 6 hours, it's up 42%. Their market cap is $6 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. And they have a huge 24-hour trading volume. This is a Solana meme coin based off of a TikTok meme. And we're going to go over the information on the dog with apple in mouth token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. At apple_dog_soul. 26 tweets so far. It says, just a dog who loves apples. 170 million plus views on TikTok as of December 8th. And it says CTO community takeover December 6th. So they're saying that the dev has abandoned this project and now it is run by the community. And usually they have a DEX screener CTO claim, a community takeover claim on DEX screener if this has happened. So we're going to check in a second to see if that's true. And then they have their Telegram linked right there as well at Apple Dog Portal. Brand new Twitter, just joined December 2024, 709 followers. And yeah, so then in their pinned tweet, it says, the Apple token community has taken over. Join the community. And then it has a link to their Telegram portal. Then it says view the viral memes. And then it has a link to their TikTok where you actually can see these TikTok videos of where this Apple dog comes from. So this is basically just an homage to that meme. I'm assuming that it's not actually from the person who owns the TikTok with 170 million subscribers or views or whatever views. So I'm assuming it's not, this token is not from that person. Most of the time, these are just homage meme coins made by somebody else, in regards to a very popular meme on the internet or whatever. But it could be from them. So don't quote me on that, but I'm assuming it's not. This token was created on pump.fun. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump, and that is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. And in the pinned tweet there, you can find the Telegram, the TikTok. You could find the DEX screener chart where you could go see the statistics, and you can find the contract address if you're looking to get this token here. So you could find this token on SolScan also, but then also if you're looking for the chart, price, statistical info, you can find it on BirdEye, DEX Screener, DEX Tools, and then maybe CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap in the future. But let's say you want to get this token. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Apple token using the contract address you could find in their pinned tweet right there. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, and this token may also become available on other Solana dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and maybe some central exchanges, and that's why it's a good idea to follow their socials to find updates regarding new token listings, partnerships, memes, all that fun stuff. So according to Dex Screener, this token has a market cap of $5.8 million right now, and just today, their 24-hour trading volume is $14.4 million. So a very popular project today. They've had 41,595 transactions today. They have here $422,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.98% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is a little bit over half a penny, 0.0059 USD. This token pair was created on Raydium 4 days, 16 hours ago. So it's not brand new, but it is less than a week old. So there is a community takeover claim on Dex Screener. So it says here, community takeover, a community claimed ownership of this token on December 7th. Apple dog takeover. AI could never recreate this. So there is the community takeover claim on Dex Screener, and then you can also view the original profile if you want to. But according to the Twitter and according to the Dex Screener chart, the dev is out of the picture, and now this is run by the community. And so far they have 5,340 holders. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Right now it's down, it's deflationary token. So total supply and circulating supply is 999.99 million tokens. And they have the Telegram Apple Dog portal, 326 subscribers. You can preview that channel before joining. That's going to be another great place to see updates and all that stuff. Now, they have a Dex score on Dex Tools of only 82 out of 99. They lost a lot of points for information because of the community takeover. They don't have a legitimate web page, and so therefore there's not tons of info on a web page or document or white paper or light paper or whatever. In the past 7 days, this token is up 6,105%. They have a quick audit here by Quick Intel Security. It says no freezable contract. Contract is verified. No honeypot. No mintable tokens. Tax is not modifiable. And no other risks. So if you do click on web page on Dex Screener, it'll just take you over to the TikTok of the actual dog's TikTok where you can see, the Apple dog video and all that stuff. So go check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.